Yay. My lens was all foggy just a second ago. Okay, hi. Well, now I'm walking Sydney. Here's Sydney. Sydney. She is adorable. Good girl. Today is my day off and I'm so happy because me and Mama are gonna go out for a little bit and get stuff. I need a new light for my room. So y'all are gonna help me pick out a light today. My room is so dark. And I have some goals in today to get done. I'm gonna start another video to vlog later. And perhaps, what was I gonna do? Oh, I forgot what I was gonna do. I need a bike rack. I need to find a bike rack. What was I gonna do, guys? I forgot. It's a pretty day. It's really sunny, but it's really humid and hot. And my hair is down, and it feels like it's getting fluffier. Really fluffy. Man, this camera's good. Look how close. What? Oh, alright, we're going. I was wanting to look at the buggies. And the step. Oop, missed it. It's hard to do when you're looking through the viewfinder. Or just the lens. Ah, dang it. Alright, I'm going to pick out a new purse from my purse collection. I think this is it. I know. Oh, yes it is. Okay, I think I want a small purse because I've had my big Disney one, so now I just want something. I think I want a crossbody. I got lots of purses. I know which one I want to find. That one is actually in my room, but I think I just have to get my closet. My closet, it's hard to get into. Let's see. Y'all see? It's kind of dark in here. Ooh, I could do my Coach. I've got a Coach purse. It's kind of a wintry colors though, I guess. Maybe. Oh, I could do this one. Yeah, I think I want to do this one. Oh my goodness. Come out. There we go. I think I'm going to do this one. Because it's tiny. And Disney. And see, it's like its own wallet. And then you put other stuff in here. Alright, I think that's what I want to do. I just gotta learn not to put so much stuff in it. I try to carry everything in my purse. I don't need to carry everything in my purse. Alright. Ta-da! That's my Disney. Well, hello. Hello. I have to video from my phone because something's going on with my camera. I don't know what. Like I push record and it goes beep 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 beep. I'm like,
battery?
No, just charged it. I don't know. I'll check it out when I get home. But we're on our way to go do
Walmart.
shopping. Walmart and Kroger.
Yeah.
And then home. I think. Oh wait, after the vet.
Mama.
Then
Oh,
my
yeah.
hair is fluffy.
Mama.
Yep. And then I'll do another video at home. I got some ideas, I think. Yeah, camera's still not working. And it's raining.
Oh my god! Look at my hair!
We got caught in a rain, a thunderstorm. Lightning
This
and
was
thunder.
at it after it lightened up.
Yeah, we let it lighten up a little bit.
Ugh.
Man, I am soaked
We both are. Okay,
in my bangs.
let's go.
Now we're going home. to change clothing.
Dry our hair.
I'm cold. Okay, well that's what we just got through with our shopping. Now we're going to go home for a little while and cool or dry off.
I'm cool right now.
Yeah. Nice and cold actually.
Yeah. I think if it's doing this at home, we're going to wait to get the groceries in.
Okay.
Yeah.
I gotta figure out what's going on with my camera. It's annoying.
You got the instructions
Yeah.
for troubleshooting?
I'll have to read it. It's a big instruction book. I'm in comfy clothes. See? This is
Where's mine?
rainy day clothes. Yes.
Where's the one I just bought?
Nice and drenched. About to eat some lunch now. I'm gonna get the chips down. Can't do it with my one hand. Maybe I can. Maybe I can. Get me some gluten-free bread. Whoa. I don't know. Where is it? Oh, yes.
One thing I forgot to get.
Chips.
Guess what it is? My diet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got one.
I know, but I need them for the week. I'll ask Tara, she'll get them on the way home Saturday morning.
Yeah. Oops.
In Bryant, she leaves that area. Nobody get his chicken. You got it out.
Mm-hmm.
You put it in the fridge.
Uh-huh. You're wet too.
Huh?
You're wet too.
Yeah. I don't have to wash my hair now. Rainwater, fresh.
I think I figured out what was wrong with my camera.
What?
I forgot to empty the memory card.
Oh.
Oh, there's not much on there, but I love the thunder. I love thunder and lightning. Makes the doggy sleepy. Alright, I'm gonna go and eat some lunch now.
Sometime when you crush these candies.
There's Carrie. She's sad because I don't put her in my video.
I'm not sad.
What's this? Oh, chicken.
Chicken
with lemon.
lemons.
What the heck is that about? Oh, my hair looks so awful now.
Lemon is really good for you. The blueberry farm.
I guess I better eat some lemons.
Irresistibly Blueberry Farm. It's a Hallmark movie. The Irresistible Blueberry Farm.
What is this? Oh, potatoes?
Yeah.
Cool.
And
Russet
then I
potatoes.
made mine.
And she has a salad.
Is this manageable? I made some vegetables. That's what they make gloves for. What the heck? It was hot.
Okay, so you cook something in the oven. You open the door, heat's coming out of it. So you grab the pan with your bare hands.
I turned it off like 10 minutes ago. There's Daisy, my sweet girl. Come here, baby.
Oops, what if I got that?
We have to have.
Look, it's a sunset. Oh, where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Sunset. It's lovely. And oh, isn't that beautiful? We just went to Hobby Lobby and got some yarn. Now we're heading to Kohl's.
Why is my air conditioning not working? It got like really hot. It's all your fault. I hate you.
Sorry. I'm heading to Kohl's to do, I don't know.
I gotta get some jeans to wear tomorrow because my jeans are dirty and we don't have a dryer. Jeans don't dry fast.
Dryer. Oh yeah, that's right.
I can't wear those black pants again. I don't like black pants.
Then we're going back home.
I need to get my shirt hemmed too. It's too long.
Yeah, it is very too long.
Not this shirt.
Oh.
My Comfort Inn shirt.
And I changed into this purse. Not the tiny one like I said I was going to change into because it was just too tiny and I needed to carry more stuff with me. So yeah, I got me a bigger purse. But I've had this one forever. Ow! We're in Target.
No, it's Target.
Target. Or Target, whatever. We're in the baby section. Baby section.
Sarah's favorite. She loves baby.
I do not.
I love them.
Why is this one here? When its place is down there.
Let's get her out of this before she starts straightening.
Where are we going? Let's see what we're gonna get next.
Comes in tomorrow.
Ooh, I forgot. I'm so excited.
Did I already say what it is, or we have to
No,
wait?
I think we've waited.
Okay.
We've waited.
But we still don't have anything to put them in.
We're gonna get something at Target. What are we gonna get? What are we gonna get? Jeans. That's boring. Jeans. It kind of scared me, actually. I was not expecting it to start shaking. Stormtrooper. Oh, he's
it's
like
a
a
Lego.
Lego. We need a game. We need more games. I'm gonna take this to someone and say, make this a reality. This will be my car. Oh, a little
Oh
trunk,
my
a
God.
little hood. Cute.
Look at the little horse thing.
Ooh, that's cool. And the doggies.
Yeah, this is detailed stuff.
I know. That's not too expensive either compared to the American Girl line.
I know.
I mean, look, that's not bad. Not bad.
And
Oh,
look at the little camper.
look what Carrie found.
That you push down and then you try to
Oh,
get
it's a
in.
mini cornhole.
Try
We
to
should get
in
that. How
there.
much?
It's 25.
They
Why don't you get it?
should have some sales
I got your
coming
yarn. Why don't you get
$3, like, no, what is that? $3 yarn. And she's saying I should get a $25 game
Exactly.
to compromise, or I don't
Hey,
know.
look at the code names.
Ooh, code names. And all these games: Jenga, Sequence, Cats. Look at all these fun games.
We ought to get.
I don't know. I can't. I don't think I could do that. No. Ooh. What is that?
It's moving.
I don't know.
What's this? The
Oh.
luggage thing. How cool is that?
This stuff scares me.
That little it was actually Leslie's airplane. It was so cool. It was a full-size airplane.
These are so good. And there's back to school over there. We're getting drinks,
I think I'll get the small ones this time.
wine. Oh yeah. Alright, so we made it to the makeup aisle. I'm not big into makeup, but I need a brush like this.
Get it.
Look at all those.
We do need another this the eyelash brush.
Oh yeah. But it's all broken and gross looking.
I know.
So I think I'll get this because it's two. I think it should be $2. I'll have to scan it to see. $2.
Oh my goodness. Just kidding.
I got that. This is Carrie's happy dance. We dance like this. Oh, my head.
We'll get Mama twerking again.
Oh yeah, that's creepy.
Mama, do the twerk. Do the twerk.
No.
What's this
Do
thing?
it. Oh, what was that? I don't know. A zombie. Ooh, knock your wine glass over. Gosh.
Someone left my wine out all this so high.
I did because I couldn't fit anything in there.
Then I'm gonna
Hello,
let you take a
Pete.
sip of it.
Nope.
Tell me if it's okay.
Hey, Dudley.
Sarah will.
Alright, I am just about to go to bed, but first I am in charge of setting the dog food up. So, this is our routine. We have Girly, Little Bear, Kevin, JJ, then Coda, Tiger Lily, and then here we have Dodger, down. This is Sydney. Sydney and Daisy get the pink. Suki, Ben, Dodger, Rosie. I got like 4 here, but it's just Dinah, and Penny and Dinah. And Dudley, we feed him whatever. So that's our setup to feed the darlings for their breakfast. So that's what I'm going to be doing. It's right in here. Dog food. And another bag. We go through dog food like nobody's business. I mean, really, we'd probably be millionaires right now if we didn't have to buy dog food. Because that's how much we buy it. But we love it. And that's what, it's part of our lives, you know? They're our children, basically. It's like my little siblings. And I love them so much. And so that's what I'm going to be doing right now before I go to bed. But I'd fill you guys in. Because tomorrow I'll get back to work and blah, 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 blah. Okay, well, ooh, we have something really exciting coming in tomorrow. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm so excited. And wait till you see. So stay tuned for tomorrow's video. And today was the 9th, by the way. Okay, so with that said, good night, everybody. Don't forget the key.